Welcome back to Temi Adi Academy. My name is Tope. I'm the founder of Temi Adi, a fashion designer and your fashion teacher. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sew a concealed lap zipper. And this is what it looks like. So it's concealed. You cannot see the zipper on the outside, and the left side of the back is lapping over the right side, so that's why it's called a concealed lap zipper. So this is what we're going to be sewing today, this type of zipper. So I'm going to be working with my sample piece here, my sample piece. So we're going to imagine that we're sewing our skirt back or our blouse back. So this is our center back. Okay, so I've marked and I've notched my zip allowance, which is 1 inch. So I just measured 1 inch from the center back in 1 inch from the center back outwards. I measured 1 inch. So this is my zipper notch. And then the length of my zipper is 7 inches. 7 inches. So I've marked 7 inches down. So the first thing I want us to do is that we're going to sew from the zipper notch downwards, our zipper notch down. So I'm going to just quickly do that. So from my zipper notch, which is over here, so I'm just going to sew that down. Back tack all the way down. Okay, so I've done that. Next step is to remove this pin, open up to the right side. So we have our right side facing us, but before then, usually I'm supposed to go to the machine. Sorry, not machine. I'm supposed to take it to the ironing board to press it. So open to the right side, fold it this way, fold it like we're already done sewing, as if we're already done sewing the zipper. Take your zipper. So looking at the zipper stopper at the top here, you're going to measure 5/8 of an inch from here up. 5/8 of an inch. I already did that. And what you're going to do after measuring the 5/8 is you trim it off, cut it off. Then you take your zipper like this and place it as if you're done sewing your zipper. So place it this way. So right side to be like right side to right side. Place it like this. So we're going to start working with I'm going to just open my zipper. We're going to start working with the right side. So this is the right side. This is my right side of our sample piece. Sorry. The right side, this is the left side. So I'm going to take this, place the zipper. This is the right side of my zipper. Place it on the right side of this of this fabric, and then line it in a way that the tape or the teeth over here is lined up 1/16 of an inch from the zipper notch we have here. Is lined up 1/16 of an inch. So I've placed the tape 1/16 of an inch away, so 1/16 from this notch. So I'm going to just pin it, just use that to hold it. So we're working on the right side of our skirt first. So pin it, hold that down, just pin it all the way down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to baste. I'm going to baste the tape. So I'm going to baste, change my stitch, the stitch on my sewing machine, to a basting stitch. Now I'm going to baste the tape like this all the way down, all the way down, making sure that it's lying 1/16 of an inch away from the notch. So we've basted, I've basted this down. The next step is to flip to the right side like this, flip to the right side like this, and then I'm going to top stitch. I'm going to top stitch using 1/16 of an inch all the way down, all the way down. So I top stitched 1/16 of an inch all from the top all the way down to around your zipper stopper. So the next step is to take, now we want to sew our zipper tape to this side. So you take this side, you match it right side together and match it notch to notch. So the notch on this side and the notch on this side, we're going to be matching both notches together. So match both notches together like this, match it together. I'm going to pin it temporarily. So match it and then flip to this side, flip your garment. So I've matched it and then I flip to, so I can see my zipper. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to baste the zipper tape to this side of the fabric. So I'm going to be basting the zipper tape, making sure these notches are matching, then baste the zipper tape down. So I've gone ahead to baste. I've basted the tape down. Then I'll flip my garment to the right side. Flip to the right side. Then what we're going to do is we are going to lap. Remember, our sewing is a concealed lap zipper. We're going to lap this side over this side. Lap this side over this side. So how we're going to do that is we're going to match the notch on the right side to the notch on the other side. So match both notches together. So I'll match both notches together like this. That's how we're going to form our that's how we're going to form our lap, by matching both notches together. So done that, make sure the zip on the other side is concealed. We do not want to see the zip. We do not want to see the zip. So it's concealed. I'm just going to pin like this way. Hold that with my sewing machine. So the last step is to top stitch by 1/2 inch. So you're going to measure 1/2 inch from this edge inwards, and we're going to top stitch all the way down to where our zipper notch is, which is here. So top stitch all the way down, pivot, and then finish. You stop just on the stitch here. You're not going over to the other side. You just go like this and stop like that. So let's do that. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. This is our concealed lap zipper. So this is what it looks like on the outside. This is what it looks like on the inside. You can see the basting stitches, and the purpose of the basting stitches, like it was just to hold down the zipper so that it doesn't move while we sew. So this is what the back looks like. You can take out the basting stitch, but this is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like, and that's what your concealed lap zipper is. Very easy. It's not difficult. Remember, you would first step is to sew from your zipper notch down, then cut your tape, your zipper tape, Measure from your stopper upwards 5/8 of an inch, cut that away, then match right side to right side like this, then sew your right, then sew your left. Practice it a few times and you'll be able to master sewing it. So I hope you learned something new in this video. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the description box. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my other videos. Happy sewing.